If your LG TV turns on, but the screen stays black, don't panic. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a simple checklist so you don't waste money on a repair you don't need. Let's get into it. Step 1. Check the power light. Look at the standby light on the bottom edge of the TV. LG notes that in standby mode, this light should be on, and if it's off, you should inspect the power cord connection. If the TV won't turn on and the standby light is off, LG recommends testing the wall outlet with another small appliance and checking your breaker if needed. Step 2. Use the TV button. If the standby light is on but your TV won't respond, LG specifically suggests trying to power on the TV using the physical power button on the TV itself. If it turns on this way, the problem is often the remote, dead batteries, pairing issues, or a faulty remote. Step 3. Test the menu. Here's a super important fork in the road. LG advises turning the TV on and pressing volume plus and minus or the home button so the TV's internal menus appear on screen. If those menus do not appear, LG says the unit will likely need service. If the menus do appear, that's great news. Your TV panel is probably working, and the problem is usually input or source related. Step 4. Check the input. Sometimes the TV boots to a different input than last time. LG recommends cycling inputs. Press the input button, select the input icon, and move through HDMI inputs until you find the active video source. If you're using a home receiver as the hub, LG also notes your TV must be on the same input as the receiver, and the receiver must be set to the correct output. Step 5. Do HDMI and device reset. Now we'll reset the signal chain. LG's official troubleshooting for sound but no picture recommends unplug the external device briefly, move the HDMI cable to a different TV HDMI port, then switch the TV to that new input and test again. If it still fails, replace the HDMI cable and retry. This is the fastest way to rule out a bad cable or a flaky HDMI port. Step 6. Factory reset the TV. If you can still open settings and the screen works for menus, LG confirms a factory reset can fix settings issues by returning the TV to out-of-box state. On many models, it's Settings, then go to All Settings, go to Support and reset to Initial Settings, then press OK.